Hello viewers, in this video let's see about data handling method. Please subscribe to this channel. Bar graph is a type of data handling method. The representation of data in the form of bars or rectangular in a diagram is called a bar graph or a bar diagram. Here, each bar represents only one value of the data and so there are as many bars as the number of values in the data. The length of bar represents the value of the item. The width of the bar should be uniform. The following bar graph represents the number of students in a school in different years in thousands. Here, number of students in 1980, 3000 students in 1982, 5200 students in 1984, 6100 students in 1986, 8500 students. Scale 1 centimeter equal to 1000 students. X-axis represent years, Y-axis represent number of students in thousand. 1 represent 1000, 2 represent 2000. Like that 9 represent 9000. In 1980 it is marked in 3 which represent 3000 students. In 1982 it is marked 5.2 which represent 5200 students. In 1984 it is marked 6.1 which represents 6100 students. In 1986 it is marked 8.5 which represents 8500 students. Thank you all for watching.